Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create this photo design using the double exposure effect in Photoshop. First up, open your Photoshop and make sure that you have this document size. So here we have the width with 1920 by 1080 pixels, and then the resolution here is 300. Then the color mode must be RGB color, and then the background content is white. Now we're going to start by adding an image. So you're going to drag and drop the image right from here. Go to your folder, go to that image, and then drag and drop right over here. There you go. Now we can adjust the image. You can basically flip it to horizontal if you want, just like this, and then you can adjust the image. You can drag on the corners, you can drag it and pull it right over here. So as you can see, you can basically just drag the image to put the image on the right place. Now what we're going to do is we can basically select the image layer first. Then we can now enable the select tab and then select on subject. So as you can see, you have just need to wait for a few seconds selecting this subject, which is this man on the first image. Okay, so once you've done, as you can see, it will now show up the subject. And then we can now add a layer right here. Now we can now add the second image. So again, we can use the drag and drop feature. So the second image is like this. Again, you can just drag the image to basically place it to the right position. So in this case, I'm going to put this image in this head of the first image, as you can see. So you can drag the corner to resize it, and then once done, click the top right option. So basically select this image, click top right option, and then select on create clipping mask. So there you go. As you can see, the image is now inside the first image. So we're going to basically drag the image according to your preference, or you can basically Control T and you can readjust the size of the image. So as you can see, so right here, and then once done, click again the second image, and then we're going to add a layer mask, and then select the layer mask, and then we're going to choose the brush tool right here on the right side, and then from here we're going to select the soft round brush. So make sure that you are on the general brushes, select soft round, and then the size will be 60, and make sure the opacity level is 100% and flow level is 31%. Now use the foreground color to black, and then brush the image to show the first image. So you just need to follow the simple steps. And then if you want to readjust or resize your brush, you can basically go back to the option right there at the top left of your screen. And for example, you want a bigger brush, so like this. And then all you need to do, you just need to apply the brush or drag it right over here to show the first or the face of the first image like this. So it depends on your preference on how you would like to show the second image right here. So So there you go. Now right here at the bottom. Alright, so if you're okay with this one, or if you want to undo some changes, you just need to type the Control Z on your keyboard. Now if you're okay with this setting, you can now go and add the third image here. So I'm going to add this bird's image. Then again, you can readjust the position of the image. Then I'm going to drag right over here. Alright, then once done, you have to select on the layers if you're okay with this one. Now go to the layers, and then here we're going to change the blending mode. So basically you will find that option right over here, then select multiply. And then we can now add a layer mask. So right here at the bottom, and then select the layer mask, then choose the brush tool option right here, then select the hard round brush. Now you're going to make sure that the opacity and flow is 100%. Then we can now remove the third image or the birds right over here. So just brush it or drag like this. Okay, so as you can see, now on the last part, click on the background layer, and then from here go to the adjustment layer and choose gradient, and select this gradient editor. From here you can change the color to grayish, or depends on your preference. So in my case, I'm going to select this one, click OK, and then you can check the reverse if you want a reverse setting right here. But in my case, I'm going to just uncheck this box. Now what we can do here now is basically we're going to click on this cancel button. Here we're going to choose the top layer. So right here, and then we're going to press Control plus Shift plus Alt plus E on your keyboard to merge all layers. Now right click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next step, go to the filter tab right there at the top and select on Camera Raw Filter. So here you just have to follow the settings here to basically customize the image color or style that you want, or design that you want, so depending on your preference. So in my case, I'm going to adjust the temperature, the tint right here, and I'm going to adjust also the contrast, and then the highlight basically. Next is the clarity. We're going to adjust the clarity, and then we can adjust the texture and the saturation. Alright, so if you're okay with this one, go back and then go to detail, and then here add the sharpening to 33 or around like this. So there you have it. So that's how you basically create this design using this double exposure effect in Photoshop. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.